So you might be wondering how you can go through and fix scratches on your iPhone screen. Now, there's a difference here. If you're trying to go through, let's say you have some really big scratches and cracks and all that stuff on your screen, the only real way to do this is by number one, replacing the entire screen or replacing just the screen itself. Like you can replace the glass screen but keep everything else the same. That kind of is a little finicky. Or you can go through and replace the entire screen itself by Apple or some third-party repair person. Those are kind of the main things to kind of do here. Now, if you have like small little artificial scratches, things like that, the easiest way to just do that, like if you have some small ones, number one is just to like grab a microfiber cloth of some sort and try going through and try like cleaning off the display. So as clean as you can, like something that is non-abrasive, something that doesn't is gonna scratch your screen even more. That's kind of something you can try doing. I've seen that happen a lot and a lot of people enjoy that. So try doing that, try wiping down the screen. That can be another very easy thing for you to kind of do there. Now you can also try going through and installing some sort of like screen protector on your phone as well. I've seen some people have some pretty good success with that too. By going through and like installing or using some sort of display like a screen protector, some glass thing. That can also end up fixing the problem too for some people, and I'd probably recommend kind of looking at that as well. Now, if that's not working, you can try using some like magic eraser kind of situation, things like that some people might enjoy, but pretty much those are kind of the main ways to fix some scratches you might have on your screen. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.